Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you computers and we are going to study chapter number 2. So, take out your books and open page number 1111. The name of the chapter is Uses of Computers. You all know what is a computer? Computer is a smart machine. It's an electronic device. It runs on electricity. So it has different uses. It is used in different places. We will learn about this in this chapter. Let's see. Computer is a very useful machine. Yes, computer is a very useful machine. You know why it is a useful machine? Because it makes our work very easy. It saves our time. You see computers at schools, homes, offices, hospitals and several other places. We can see computer at different places and use of computer is different at different place. So, in this chapter we are going to study what is the use of computer at each place. Let's start beta. Let us learn about the uses of computers at different places. Now, we will study each one by one. Schools. Now, we will study what is the use of computers in school. The computer helps your teachers to prepare the report card. Yes, it is used to prepare your report card. In school, teacher prepares report card with the help of computers. The computer helps your teachers while teaching. Your teachers teach you with the use of computer, with the help of computers. The computer helps in the school library and fees counter. In school library, computer is used for maintaining the record of books and it is used to maintain fee records also. Beside these, we have a computer lab and you all go to computer lab to learn about computers. Now, next is homes. We will see what is the use of computer at our home. The computer helps you to do your homework and play games. Yes, computer help us to do our homework and it help us to play games. We play games with the help of computer, with the use of computers. The computer helps you to listen music and watch movies. With the help of computers, we listen to music, we watch movies and we use headphones and speakers for that. The computer helps you to purchase items from home. It is popularly known as online shopping. Children, while sitting at home, we purchase many things and that purchasing is known as online shopping. With the use of computer, we can do online shopping also. Now, next is hotels and shops. We will see what is the use of computer at hotels and shops. The computer helps in maintaining records of stocks, prices and sales of different items and details of customers. Next, the computer helps shopkeepers to prepare bills. In hotels, computer is used to maintain records of stocks, prices and items purchased. And at shop, computer is used to maintain record of bill and record what customer has purchased. Next, offices. The computer helps in sending and receiving messages. At offices, computer is used to do office work such as sending and receiving messages through email. The computer helps in typing and printing documents. As I told you, it is used to do office work. So, we can do printing, typing also with the help of computers. Banks. The computer helps in maintaining the accounts of customers. In bank, computer is used to maintain the record of the customers by that how much amount that customer has deposited and customer has taken out from the bank. The computer helps you to withdraw money from ATM, automated teller machine. Now full form of ATM is automated teller machine, and it helps you to withdraw money to ATM. You must have seen ATM, children. Hospitals. Now we will see what is the use of computer at hospital. The computer helps doctor in doing the operations. You can see with the help of computer, doctor can see what is happening inside the body, and it helps to operate. It helps doctor for doing operation. The computer helps in diagnosing various diseases. With the help of computer, we can diagnose various diseases. Doctor diagnoses various diseases. The computer helps in preparing medical reports. Now, at hospitals, doctors can prepare various reports with the help of computers. Airports and railway station. Now, we will see what is the use of computer at airports and at railway stations. The computer helps in reservation and cancellation of tickets for passenger. Computer, it helps to book tickets and it helps in cancellation of tickets of passengers. The computer helps in keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. Now computer helps in maintaining records of the arrival of trains and airplanes and departure of planes and trains. The computer helps to keep track of location, speed and direction of trains and aeroplanes. Now children, with the help of computer, we can see what is the speed of train, what is the speed of aeroplane. So it helps to record speed. We can see the location where exactly aeroplane and train is. So it helps to see where the location is, and it helps us to see the direction of trains and aeroplanes. Now in designing, now let us see what is the use of computer in designing. The computer helps architects in designing building and houses. Children, you must have seen so beautiful houses. They are designed by architect, and how architect design that house? With the use of computer. The computer helps engineers in designing cars, aeroplanes and other machines. You can see daily new cars are there, new machines are there. Who designs them? Engineers, and engineer design those things with the use of computers, with the help of computers. So you can see why it is a useful machine, why computer is a useful machine, because it makes our work easy, we get new ideas, we can do our work quickly. The computer helps in designing clothes. Okay children, we wear different kinds of clothes, different designer clothes. So computer is used for designing clothes. The computer helps in creating and designing animations, movies, advertisement and a lot more things. Children, whatever movies you watch, whatever cartoons you watch, whatever animation series you watch, they are designed with the use of computers. So computer help in designing animation, cartoon, movies, characters, etc. In publishing, now we will see how computer is used in publishing. The computers help in printing newspapers, magazine, books and pamphlets. Children, we read newspaper, we read our books. So whatever is written in there, how it is typed? It is typed with the use of computers. This book has also been designed and printed using computer. Yes, you can see our book. We have letters, we have words in our book. You can see. So how it is designed, how it is published? With the help of computers. Next is in scientific research and defense. Now we will see what is the use of computer in scientific research and defense, how it is used there. The computer helps scientists in doing research, designing robots and forecasting weather. Computer helps scientists for doing research. Scientists can do research with the help of computers. They make robots. You must have seen robots, children. So, it helps to make robots. It helps us to forecast weather. The computer helps in launching and controlling satellites, rockets and missiles. Now, with the help of computer, we can launch and control satellites. What scientists do? They can control satellite, they launch new satellite with the help of computers. Next is in learning new skills. With the help of computers, we can learn new skills. Let's see what are the skills we can learn with the use of computers. The computer helps in learning how to drive a car or how to fly an aeroplane. Okay, by sitting at one place with the use of computer, we can learn how to drive a car, how to fly an aeroplane. The computer helps in learning new skills such as learning different languages, typing and cooking. Yes, with the help of computer, we can learn how to cook various items, we can learn how to do typing and we can learn different languages with the help of computer, with the use of computer. Now, let's see one fact. Do you know this thing? You can learn things such as driving without even using actual machines. These are called simulators. As I told you, computer help us in learning how to drive a car, how to fly an aeroplane by sitting at a place, by using a single machine. So, what are they called? They are called simulators. Okay children, I hope you must have understood what are the uses of computer at different places and you must have enjoyed it also. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.